Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some rear detailing with some paint marks and some paint stick marks to replicate the original markings that were on the rear when it came off the assembly line. Here's my selection of different paints I use to detail and put all the right paint marks on the different suspension components of the car. Here's my drawer full of stamps that I've made over the years to do the different detailing that I do on different components. Here's a stamp for the Space Saver spare for a Boss 429 Mustang. Oil filter part number stamp. Stamp to do the coil. And a date code stamp to put the right date on the coil. Also for generators. What else? More generators. That's for Chrysler stuff. And that's a well-worn transmission stamp that will go on the side of the main case. Different transmissions would have different numbers. It's a Paint OK stamp. And also another oil filter part number stamp. More transmission stamps. Another Paint OK. Date code stamps. Inspector stamp. Ink pads. And marking sticks, paint marking sticks. These are pretty important. So I have many different colors you would see on different components of the car, where the inspectors would make a quick mark and then move on. We have the rear installed in the 69 Boss 302. It still needs to get the detail work finished. Springs were put in. They have the correct paint markings on them. The U-bolt nuts, the red Dykem. Original springs, original part numbers. No brakes. Well, they'll be added later. Everything's a little dirty back here. Yeah, I gotta wipe down. Correct axle tag, which should be in place underneath the axle U-bolt. And a detailed rear. That's the axle tag. If you noticed that number 982 corresponds, although it's upside down, to 982 on the axle tag. That's as it should be. 391 locker, which is that code right there. That's the axle code, WFD-D, and that is the date code right there. That would be April, the second or third week in April of 1969. 9D, D would be April, C, which is the third letter of the alphabet, which would be the third week. Here's some of the paint stick marks applied by those Marcal paint sticks. Again, the 982A will match the axle tag. And this is pretty much the extent of detailing I'm going to do on this rear. Traditional yellow mark up top, I've seen that white daub on the pinion snubbers, yellow inspection marks where they tighten the plug, tighten the front pinion, the carrier for the pinion, and the yellow on the, or the orange on the yoke. I've seen all kinds of other paint marks, writings, none of which I can confirm from original examples, but I've seen a lot of restorers using them. I'm not going to do that on this. For me, sometimes less is more. Thank you for watching the video on rear end detailing, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, help the channel grow. More videos coming. Appreciate it. Thank you.